you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mariel and I make reaction videos. This is Pilai, my bird. He will only be here for a certain duration of the video, depending on how long he stays on my shoulder. Okay. So today, I got a notification that SB19 had a little music video for MAPA with Selecta. My previous reactions to MAPA included me having a mental breakdown, so like this should be fun, right? Right, Pilai? He agrees. Alright guys, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment your recommendations you may have, and follow my social medias. I'll be linked in the description below. And if I say ow, it's because my bird is literally trying to eat my ears. Alright, so without any further ado, what do you think, Pilai? Let's get started? Yeah? He bit my lip. Alright, let's get started. Okay, hair tied back, Pablo, let's go.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita.
Why? Look at that.
Kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang
Stop it.
nauna.
Okay, he knows that I'm getting emotional. That's why he bites my face. I don't know what it is, but like Pilai tends to bite my face if I'm getting emotional. Isn't that right, stinker? Alright, let's continue. Sorry, I'm in my feelings.
Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking
Pilai, I'm gonna cry.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata na pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara.
Man, it really do be like that. Man, it really do be like that, Pilai. You see that? You see all that I do for you? He's ignoring me. And he pooped on me. He literally just pooped on me, you guys. That's literally so rude. I am your mother. And this song, Pilai, how dare you? Oh, Pilai, I'm gonna start crying. I'm gonna use the napkin, okay? Thank you. Alright, let's continue.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na
Is it his birthday?
ayaw may dala.
Oh.
Ang iyong bawat payo at hanggang sa dulo magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo.
Okay guys, I need answers. What is Selecta? Is that like... Cause I see the little like golden like box. Am I dumb? Cause I'm thinking like, oh, it's cookies. Maybe that's because I'm fat. I don't know, cause like, it's just, cause like the little boy dog, like, oh, my dad's not coming to my birthday party, but like, man, oh man. Sorry, my feelings, they hurt a lot, you guys. All right, let's go.
Pangako, tatay ko, dahil ikaw ang aking paa. Sa tuwing ako'y gagapang ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Pahinga.
All the photos shaking in the background, I can't stop. Oh, can't. I'm gonna start. I can't do this, bro. The amount of times I can react to MAPA and not have a mental breakdown. I'm really trying not to have a full mental breakdown like I did the first time, because the first time I reacted to MAPA, if you were here during that time, you already know that I had a full mental breakdown. I couldn't even get words out. I was just bawling my eyes out. My boogers were coming out. Everything was coming out. I called my parents. My parents told me to go somewhere. I don't know. Or they told me to leave them alone. You know, the usual that your parents usually do, unless, or is that just me? It's probably just me. All right, let's continue. Ugh. Ice cream? Oh, ice cream. Okay. Got it. And then the little boy also grew up to be Pablo. We love an identity cake. You know, this makes me want to get Selecta ice cream. I don't know if it's good. If it's good, someone let me know, because you know, I'll love to know. All right, let's continue. Come on, yes, my favorite boy choir. Let's go. Josh. There's no way that was a comfortable position. I'm sorry, but I don't know. I'm sorry. That's literally the one thing that, like, I don't get it. How did you fall asleep like that? There's no way. If you fall asleep like that, let me know in the comments, because I would love to know. Because I could never. I would cramp up because I'm just not flexible. See, my mom, sorry, but like, I know that you guys are like, here, what the frick? You can't be making these comments, but like, it's just funny, because like, if I were to do that, like, if my mom was sleeping like in the like living room, she'd be like, please sit down. You're so loud. Or I'm bigatang pamo. Because I'd be like, when I walk. Sorry. Anyways, I know it's because you know why I'm making these jokes is because I'm trying not to have a full-on mental breakdown in this reaction video, because last thing I need is for me to be sobbing my eyes out again, because like, I don't have tissue. Pilai left me. He literally walked out the door. Yes, my bird walks instead of flies. I don't know why he does that, but he does. And I cannot do this, you guys. I cannot do this today. All right, let's go. Is that Rocky Road? Does Selecta have Rocky Road? I'm gonna look that up after this video, but oh my god, it looks good! Hold up. Back it up. Hold on. That's not a good frame to pause it at, but I want a man to look at me the same way Justin looks at Pablo, okay? That's all I want in this life, okay? Sorry, let's move on. The ice cream is so good though. I'm sorry, Ken. I'm dead. Is that a TikTok like trophy in the bag? Where did this little boy come from? Where did he come from? Oh my god, it's mini SB19. Oh my god. Oh, I get it. I get the hashtag. That's great. I hope that ice cream is really good because, like, I would love to try it. That's so cute. I love that. That was everything. Oh. Oh, that was a cute freaking video, you guys. I cannot. I love how they use MAPA as the ad because, like, you know, you associate MAPA with an emotional song if you know, initially listen to it without the advertisement, and then now you're just gonna think of ice cream, and you know what? That's perfect marketing. If anyone uses SB19 for marketing, bitch, like, you know, they know what they're doing, and I love them for that. That's iconic. You guys. The only way to do it is to have SB19 sell your product for you. Why? Because they just have a song that be fitting for everything. Like, come on, MAPA, and then the best way to like eat ice cream is with your parents. Hello? Period. SB19, y'all are the ones. I've said this many times before. Yeah. Now I want ice cream, and my parents eat all the ice cream. Sorry, I'm having a mental breakdown about ice cream. Hello? That's so scary. I don't like filming in this room sometimes. Anyways, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little reaction video, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment any recommendations you may have, and follow my social medias. I'll be linked in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!